Hello, people of the internet. Well, welcome to my next series of streams. We're going to stream all day today. We're going to have a guest on in about half an hour, maybe an hour for the remainder of today. We're going to do a number of different streams. We're going to start with how to build a dApp or decentralized application on Ethereum. Now, we've already done a few of these streams here yesterday, but I'm on a different computer, a different Wi-Fi. I have a much better connection now, so my video quality should be a lot higher. And we're going to go ahead and stream today. But first, we got to start with setting up our environment, getting all the success that we had from the last live stream. So we're going to find that handy tutorial that we had. I'm going to install VMware tools here so that my VM runs a little bit better. What's it called? How to build a dApp. And we'll get started as soon as we're able. All good, looking and hearing good. That's good. That's awesome. Let's see if we can find these royalty-free musics that we had the other day. So you guys can have something to listen to when I'm not talking. So right now we're installing the VMware tools on this VM. So I downloaded Windows 10, I installed Windows 10 in a VM, I got OBS up and running. After a lot of issues getting that streaming, I made a new stream key, which allowed me to stream finally. Gonna lower the audio volume here a little bit. How about now? Where's this streaming service? Go away. Streaming service. There we go. There's the music. I have to restart the VM in order to get our VM tools to work. VMware tools, rather. And I noticed Dimitri joined our chat here a second ago. Hi, Dimitri. Hi to everybody else that's in here. Yeah, I just did loading music again. Let me know if that's good, Peter. So we'll see if that's any good. Now we need to download and install Node as well. I need pen and mask. Okay, good stuff. So I don't know why the node's not installing anymore. There we go. Hello, I'm just working, guys. Sorry, I can't really hang out. Okay, lower the sound on the video, the music again. Now we're going to install Truffle, which is again is the suite that we use to build and deploy and configure and test our smart contracts throughout all of these tutorials. So now we have Truffle. What else do we need here? We need some code. Well, we need a folder to download everything into. Stuff's good now. And we'll download the sample project. There we go. We'll open this folder as a workspace. Go into the election contract and add this sample code, starting code. So we actually had more code than that. We had a whole bunch of other stuff. But first we need this deployment migration inside of the migrations folder. And it's just going to simply migrate our contract. And we're still getting caught up on where we had code before. And we actually renamed our candidates. So we're going to rename them again too. Again, behave when. Oh. That'd be good. I don't know either. I gotta work though, friend. Again, we'll use Ganache or Ganache CLI in order to run a test net privately. So that we can deploy our contracts with much more ease than we were trying to with rinkeby. What am I breaking here? Let's try lower music again. We'll put it to 2%. Still trying to get our testnet blockchain up now. No, I think you have it somewhere in the other room there, do you? I don't know, it's in here somewhere though. And I do have the Wi-Fi password for you when it's running. Try it at 1% now. Found it? Good. What's that? We're going to add our tests back to the test folder that we had before. Change our test again to match what we entered into the program. And we're going to create a client-side application, just like we had 2 days ago. So everybody, I'm sorry I didn't stream yesterday. I was feeling really, really awful and I couldn't really get to work. So we'll be streaming up until Sunday probably instead. So here's Gannett or Gannach or whatever running in the background. So now if I do a truffle migrate, oh, we need to rename our truffle file again. So that's inside of app data. Somewhere in here, we need to rename truffle.cmd to truff or whatever. So the point of this session, guys, once we're done, is to just get back to where we were the other day when I was on my other computer there in a different location. So here we are, we're running all the migrations. It's doing it locally with the Gannett testnet. Now what I want to do is truffle or npm run dev. We're going to see if the good old server runs our decentralized application code that we have in our HTML and JS files. Here we go. Oops. The firewall is trying to protect me from unauthorized usage. And what did I lose here? Whoops. Oh well, it's running at localhost 3000, so we can just go back to our Chrome, go to localhost 3000. And our MetaMask is running on LiveNet, which means this is not going to work the way we expect. Actually, I don't even have an account on MetaMask yet, so it's not going to be able to use it. And I can't even see the button on MetaMask, so I need a higher resolution here. Try that. There we go. And then I think we can put MetaMask onto localhost. Well, I guess for a MetaMask to work, it can't work on Ganache or Gananch or whatever. So let's go ahead and go on Rinkeby, where I was for the last time we published this stream, this particular stream for the dApp. I'm going to need some Rinkeby funds. We'll do that with Rinkeby Faucet. Although I'm not sure if I can use the Rinkeby Faucet again because I just used it within the last 3 days. Let's try a different Twitter account. Actually, none of my other Twitter accounts are working right now. Every 3 days you can request Ether, so I don't know if I can right now. I might have to, mountains or hills? Come on, guys. Twitter is broken. So the last time I did this was September 24th. I don't think it's going to give me any more Rinkeby funds. Oh, crosswalks. I have 24 hours left until my next allowance. Okay, here's a different Twitter account. Come on, Matt. There we go. Funding request accepted. We should get some ethers here. I don't know why I can't click on my MetaMask. We'll try closing the Chrome and reopening it. There it is, right there. So in a second here, we'll have some ether. And then we're going to go ahead and deploy again, but this time using rinkeby. Actually, first I need to import this account. Import raw key. Actually, first I need to sync rinkeby. I need geth. This might be an installer, this might be the actual program. We'll find out. It's an installer. So we want to get sync rinkeby with light sync line. We can open yet another command prompt. So there's a special thing that I have to do to get attach IPC. There we go. So we're nearly synced. We have just a few more blocks to go. And light mode only takes about 5 or 10 minutes, so we'll just stay on stream while that happens. I wonder how far we are into this stream. 25 minutes. We're already 17,000 away from where we just were, so that's good stuff. We'll sync here real quick. So what we need to do is import raw key. You want to unlock the account so we can use it? We're nearly synced. We have 500 blocks to go. One 100 blocks. We're synced. Maybe we can try our migrate again. So we gotta look at our Truffle.js file. Try a local host instead of, actually it's this port here, 8454 is what we need. No, let's try on localhost. I think it's 8454. I don't know what the issue is. Let's try running geth again. Which means we'll have to unlock the account. It's on 8545. Using network development. All right, we're doing some stuff. I hope rinkeby lets us do stuff today. The reason we started using that text RPC is because rinkeby wasn't allowing us to deploy stuff 2 days ago. It was under attack. There we go. We have a contact for migrations. And we're saving that to the network. Now we're deploying our election contract to the blockchain. And we're saving that migration to the network. I think this is the last action that migrate needs to do. People are happy that the keyboards are already on standout. We want to do npm run dev. Let's see if we can get this decentralized application to load in there from rinkeby. Let's find out. On localhost 3000. There we go. There's our two candidates. It's exactly where we left off the other day. We're going to go ahead and review how to add candidates using the interface and also start to vote in the next few sessions. That's it for this session. We've been on for 32 minutes. Thanks everybody for joining. Let's see what's going on in the stream. What we just covered, by the way, is how to set up the environment from scratch using Windows Virtual Machine and rinkeby testnet. We have 52 people in here right now. Thanks very much everybody for joining. And if you guys want to give me a subscribe, that'd be great. And in the near future, we'll be back here in 3 to 5 minutes to continue our work on the decentralized application using a voting contract. Our friend Haley should be joining us here in a few minutes. Okay, thanks everybody, and we'll be back.